Ladies and gents, Razziigrows, welcome back to the channel. And over here we got the HS miners from Gold Shell. I got these from eBay at a bundle package for all four. Now I got these three miners connected on Wi-Fi and one is running on Ethernet. See the blue lights? That means they're running and they're connected and they're hashing away. These HS miners were mining the HNS coin, but now they're mining Sia coin. So I converted it to Sia coin, and that's what they're doing. This was the first day, the second day, and now for the third day, it's doing 163 Sia coin per day. So far so good. It's, we're going, slow and steady, but at the end of the day, we still mining our business, So I got these coins mining in the F2 pool, but once it meets its payout threshold, the deposits go to the crypto.com portfolio. So this is where I will be holding the Sia coins in the exchange, and I will be day trading it, stacking them up, converting these for Bitcoins, and so on. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Razziigrows. This is one of the coins that I'm mining for 2024.